Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. It is the 15th of April today, and we're going to be looking at Cardano trading against the US dollar over one-day candles. Really looking forward to seeing what this asset will do in the next couple of days. IOHK, so the development arm of Cardano, is going to be hosting its inaugural summit in Miami on Wednesday, and that's for the first time. The whole IOHK team is going to be getting together, and it's open to the crypto community as well. So we'll have developers, investors, blockchain experts all getting together and finding out what's going on in Cardano right now and where is Cardano going in the future. There's going to be panel discussions and things like that talking about the technology that's being developed right now and how it's going to affect the wider ecosystem and the crypto space at large. So it's going to be a really, really interesting two-day event, and hopefully it will catalyze some new bullish momentum behind the asset. Charles Hoskinson, the CEO and IOHK founder, is going to be delivering the opening keynote speech, and he's already said in an AMA earlier on in the year that he's going to be unveiling Cardano's new 2020 roadmap. So that's something to really look forward to, and hopefully he'll give us some insight into the new direction of Cardano and potentially some new features that they're working on that people should get excited about. So so some really interesting things will come of that. Looking at the price action right now, it's coming at a really great time, this summit. As you can see, for you long-term Cardano hodlers, we almost have a golden crossover on the chart, which is a huge sign of bullish momentum, and many regard it as a sort of signal that sort of tells a lot of people that this is the end of the bear market and we're now entering into the bull market. It's a sign that short-term momentum is greatly increasing against the sort of slower, longer-term momentum. And it's a really good sign that bullish momentum is picking up. And if you look at Litecoin, that's already had a golden crossover in the last few weeks, it's already gone from strength to strength and is now starting to test that sort of $90 to $100 mark. So that's doing really well. So hopefully, in the next couple of weeks, Cardano will have a golden crossover, and that will push the asset over that 10 cents mark and restore some confidence in this particular asset. Looking at the sort of general resistance and supports right now, we can see that we've had a little bit of a ricochet off the 0.382 Fibonacci resistance here at the 9.2 cents mark. This particular fib level is a very, very strong resistance, and going back into sort of Q4 of last year, you can see that it was a particularly strong resistance throughout September, but it was also a fairly good support in August, so it's a key level as an area of both support and resistance. And so we failed to break through that. We corrected, and then bulls were able to fight their way back onto the main support here around the sort of 8.2 cents mark, which again, a key area of resistance and support. You can see that just before that Bitcoin Cash war in November, this particular level was a strong resistance, and then going through into September, you can see it was a fairly good support. So a fairly key level here to be along. And for the last 4 days, ADA has been tracking pretty much sideways along the support. Volatility has been very, very low. There's just not been a great deal of momentum, and that can be attributed to perhaps bullish traders and bearish traders waiting to see what comes out of this summit. If it turns out to be a success, then we can expect bulls to launch off this support, potentially break through the 0.382 level, and maybe even go on to test the psychological 10 cents mark. But if it's a flop and a little bit anticlimactic, then maybe we'll see the asset break through support, break through its 200 EMA, and maybe find itself along the 0.236 Fibonacci level around the 6.7 cents mark. So it's all kind of hanging in the balance of this summit. It could be the make or break for the asset in the short term. Looking at the RSI, we can see the momentum starting to drop, obviously, as volatility sort of thins out. But it's a good sign, we're out of the overbought region right now, and there's now a little bit of room if ADA wants to break out again. So yeah, we'll be waiting to see what comes out of this summit, and hopefully it'll be good news. We'll break through the 0.382 and even maybe go on to the 0.5 fib level at 11 cents above. And like I said, this has been a particularly key area of resistance in the past, and it will represent a new 7-month high for ADA if we can get there. So fingers crossed that Charles and the team pull something out of the bag here. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. Let me know if you're bullish or bearish for ADA, and let me know what you think might come out of that event. Maybe we'll hear some more about Shelley, and that will be announced soon. That would be something really great as well. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Check out the full TA at CryptoVest.com, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.